Welcome to 10 Polar Bear Facts. Over the next 8 minutes, we embark on a journey to the frozen Arctic, a realm ruled by an apex predator of immense power and grace, the polar bear. Prepare to be captivated by these magnificent creatures as we uncover 10 fascinating facts about their lives. Get ready to dive into the icy world of polar bears and gain a newfound appreciation for these remarkable animals. Let us begin our Arctic adventure. Fact number 1. In the vast, frozen wilderness of the Arctic reigns the polar bear, the world's largest land predator. A fully grown male, known as a boar, can reach a staggering 10 feet in length. Imagine that's longer than most cars. And their weight is equally impressive. They can tip the scales at over 1,500 pounds, making them heavier than a grand piano. To put that into perspective, that's about the same as 6 or 7 fully grown men. These bears are true giants, perfectly adapted to their harsh environment. Their size and strength make them formidable hunters, capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves. But don't let their size fool you. Despite their bulk, polar bears are surprisingly agile, both on land and in water. They are truly remarkable creatures that have captured the imagination of people worldwide. Fact number 2. The Arctic is a world of stark contrasts, a place of blinding white snow and dark icy waters. Against this backdrop moves a creature whose appearance perfectly reflects its surroundings: the polar bear. Their coat, so brilliantly white, provides excellent camouflage. But beneath this snowy exterior lies a surprising secret. Polar bears actually have black skin. This black skin helps them absorb heat from the sun. It's a remarkable adaptation, a testament to natural selection. Fact number 3. While they may be land dwellers, polar bears are equally at home in the water. In fact, they are classified as marine mammals, a testament to their remarkable swimming abilities. Their large, slightly webbed paws act like powerful paddles, propelling them through the icy water with surprising grace and speed. They can maintain a steady pace of 6 miles per hour, covering vast distances in search of food or a suitable mate. But their aquatic prowess doesn't end there. Polar bears have been known to swim for days at a time, covering hundreds of miles in a single journey. One remarkable individual was tracked swimming for an incredible 9 days straight, covering over 400 miles. These marathon swims are a testament to their incredible endurance and their unwavering determination to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Fact number 4. Polar bears' patience. The icy waters of the Arctic may seem barren, but beneath the surface lies a rich ecosystem teeming with life. For the polar bear, the seal is a vital source of sustenance. Seals are rich in fat, providing essential energy. But hunting seals is no easy feat. It requires patience and cunning. Polar bears often wait near breathing holes. When a seal surfaces, the bear pounces with lightning speed. Fact 5. A nose for survival. The Arctic is a sensory-deprived world, a vast expanse of white and blue. For the polar bear, one sense reigns supreme: the sense of smell. Their sense of smell is extraordinary. It is over 200 times more acute than ours. This sense is essential for their survival. It allows them to locate seals hidden beneath the ice and snow. Fact 6. Surprising speed on land. Don't let their lumbering gait fool you. Polar bears are surprisingly agile and quick on their feet when they need to be. Despite their size, they can reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour in short bursts. This surprising speed is essential for catching prey and escaping danger. They can outrun a reindeer over short distances, and even outmaneuver a walrus on land. Their agility is equally impressive. They can pivot on a dime, changing direction with surprising speed and grace. This agility allows them to navigate the treacherous, icy terrain with ease. So while they may appear slow and cumbersome at times, never underestimate the speed and agility of a polar bear when they are on the move. Fact number 7. While they may roam the frozen landscapes of the Arctic, polar bears are classified as marine mammals. This unique designation reflects their deep connection to the ocean and their remarkable adaptations to life in this challenging environment. Their Latin name, Ursus maritimus, literally translates to maritime bear, a testament to their seafaring nature. They spend a significant portion of their lives on sea ice, using it as a platform to hunt, travel, and even find mates. Their bodies are perfectly adapted to this life at sea. Their thick layer of blubber provides insulation against the frigid waters, while their slightly webbed paws act like powerful paddles, propelling them through the water with ease. Fact number 8. The crucial ice platform. Sea ice is not just a place for polar bears to roam, it is their lifeline, a crucial platform that sustains their very existence. It is on the ice that they hunt, travel, and raise their young. The vast expanse of sea ice provides them with access to their primary prey, seals. These blubbery pinnipeds are a vital source of energy, providing the bears with the sustenance they need to survive in this harsh environment. But sea ice is more than just a hunting ground. It is also a highway, allowing polar bears to travel vast distances in search of food, mates, and suitable denning sites. They can cover hundreds of miles in a single season, following the ever-shifting ice flows. Fact number 9. Sheltering new life in snow. As winter tightens its grip on the Arctic, female polar bears seek refuge in snowdrifts, creating dens where they will give birth and nurture their cubs. These snow dens, sculpted by wind and shaped by instinct, become sanctuaries for new life. Inside these icy nurseries, nestled amidst the swirling snow, tiny cubs are born, blind, hairless, and completely dependent on their mother's warmth and care. The den provides a safe haven from the biting wind and sub-zero temperatures. For several months, the cubs remain tucked away in the den, their mother's milk providing all the nourishment they need to grow and thrive. As spring approaches, the cubs emerge from the den, their eyes wide with wonder as they take their first tentative steps onto the ice. Fact number 10. Guardians of a warming Arctic. As the Arctic warms at an alarming rate, the very survival of polar bears hangs in the balance. Their world, a realm of ice and snow, is melting away, threatening their hunting grounds and their way of life. Climate change, driven by human activities, is the single greatest threat facing these magnificent creatures. As temperatures rise, sea ice, their vital hunting platform, is shrinking at an unprecedented rate. This loss of sea ice forces bears to travel farther in search of food, expending precious energy and putting them at greater risk of starvation. It also disrupts their breeding patterns and threatens the survival of cubs. Thank you for joining our Arctic adventure. As our journey through the world of polar bears comes to an end, let us remember the vital role these magnificent creatures play in the delicate balance of the Arctic ecosystem. Their story is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the urgent need to protect our planet. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure. Please subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Turn on your notifications to see new exciting videos. Let's celebrate and spread the fascinating facts about polar bears by sharing this video with our friends. Until next time, young learners.